Hi guys, welcome to my channel PNL Pirates. If this is the first time you're coming across our videos, make sure you give us a like and a subscribe so more people can see our videos. So today I'm going to be showing you how to DCA on a trade. So first of all, this is what we are going to do. Basically, I'm on a trade at the moment, so I just take this trade. So I'm going to be doing a DCA plan of 3 or maybe 4. Alright, so as you can see, I'm on a 4-hour time frame. So my next DCA will be at this price point 0.6. okay, to be around 0.6, let's say 0.6146. Alright, so I'll add another limit 0.6412. Alright, put $10 there, shorts. As you can see, once the price gets to 0.64, my margin and the size position will add. Then let's say it pumps to 0.75, I also add another limit at that price level. You know how all this flash pump does, so maybe they do any of those, they are manipulating flash pumps and the price gets to that point, God, my order will trigger, so I'll paste another one there. So but now the way this my price looks very far from each other because I'm using the 4 hours time frame. Let me put it back to 15 minutes. So let's say, okay, my entry price for this short is 0.51. so my next price is going to be, let's say, 0.56. this price here, 0.5631. so this is just an example, alright, how to DCA in case the price is going against you, and you trust this particular setup that is going to go your way. So instead of just waiting for it to pump up before it comes down, so it's better for you to just add up more margin before the price retreats. And now you don't just go and add a very mighty margin. No, if you want to DCA, let's say you want to DCA $50, which is $500 in size position, if you are using 10x margin, so you have to enter with $10. You understand, which is $100. It's very cool. So if it gets to let's go back to the chart and I'll show you the example. So if it gets to 0.064, I add $100. If the price pumps to 0.075, add another $100. If the price pumps to 0.8, now remember, you need to use risk management. It is very important. Now instead of all just punching in $500 and in size position on just 0.064, it's better to share it into 4 and put it at different price entries, so that way you will be secure. So once the price started retracing, you will automatically be in profit by just little percentage of drop each. Alright, so I hope this video helps you to understand what DCA means and also how to enter a DCA price. If you have find this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to our channel, give us a like, share with your friends and family. Anybody you feel is in the Web3 space that don't know how to do this, show them this video, and see you on the next video. Peace out.